Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just with another job in the workshop today that I just wanted to share with you. This particular case, we've got a Mazda 2, it's a 2012 model, and it's got a clunking in the steering column, in the steering system of the vehicle. Very similar to the Hyundais that do the rubber bush or coupling in them that deteriorate, but this one doesn't actually have that particular rubber coupling, it just has an intermediate shaft. So a very, very common problem with this particular vehicle is this intermediate shaft getting wear in it. There's our old one which we've taken out of the vehicle, and the new one which we're just about to put into the vehicle, and that will alleviate this particular knocking noise. It will gradually get worse as the car gets older, and again, just a replacement of that. We've gone for the genuine Mazda, $370 odd for a new shaft. They had them in stock, they actually had a number of them in stock. Shows you that they are a common issue. So again, if you're getting your Mazda 2s, and it's quite a broad range of the Mazda 2s that have this particular problem, you might check it on the cars and suggest your customers get these replaced before they get too bad. We're going to add this up as a repair solution onto our website as well for future use for guys that might come across this particular problem. Hope this helps you out in the future. See you next time.